Okay guys, so this is my next project. It is a Geo, I think it's 90cc, possibly 110cc ATV. So there's some obvious things that are wrong. For one, it doesn't have a battery. The seat is over there. So we got that. As you can see here, I'll show you on the other side though, but it's missing a starter. He said the carb was good, but I suspect there might be some issues with the carb as well. So coming around to the back side, the chain is pretty rusty, so either a new chain or we'll try to save this one. There's quite a bit of slack in it, so we'll see if we can adjust it and try and save that chain. Wheels look in pretty good condition. Gonna have to get some paint, some high temp paint. I'm gonna paint this black, the original color it was, along with the muffler all the way down into the motor. Coming around, I don't know why he zap strapped that. Doesn't seem to need it. Just have to screw in those bolts a little bit more, and that should be good. So that light should be good. I haven't really checked a whole lot else. Obviously the body's in it's in pretty good shape, but the cover or the stuff starts peeling off. So we're gonna see about that issue there. Might sand it down a bit and paint it. Some of the surfaces are all right. Some of the other rougher stuff maybe we'll sand down and throw some paint on it, because it looks a little sad. It does have a key, which is great. Saves me a bit of hassle, which is not really that much. You just have to get a new ignition. Comes with a couple keys. Good to go. I did it with another one, so that's not too bad. It's missing all this stuff, the webbing, and it's pretty rough shape. I can pull it off with my hands basically. This is a breather tube for the exhaust, which I've never seen before, but it's nothing too crazy there. What else? Coming around. I suspect I'm going to probably have to change the oil. Everything else looks pretty good, so we'll actually see what happens once we get the starter going, see if we can turn the motor over. Hopefully everything's good to go and all right. Worst case, I'll pop the motor out, maybe paint it up in some spots. You know, might have to pull it apart, take a look, see what's going on. So we'll just kind of take it step by step. There's also some electronics, the CDI, some other things like that I might have to look into. I think I have some spares, so shouldn't be too much of an issue there. This front piece of plastic is cracked. We'll maybe see if we can get one of these. If not, maybe I'll just use some fiberglass putty and try and fix that up. This front, it's a steel bumper, so it's obviously rusting up a bit on us. So I might paint that up, just freshen it up a little bit, make it look nice. I suspect I'll probably paint it black with the rest of it, but might go with a different color. We'll see. So that's pretty much it on this thing. It looks not bad, it's just not running, so we'll figure out what's wrong with it after. Once we jump into it here. Tires, like I said, look good. So yeah, we're gonna jump into it. So keep watching for all the videos and troubleshooting I'm gonna have to do to figure this one out, and then you know, make it look pretty. And we'll probably end up selling this one, since it's a much bigger machine than my son's blue one over there. That one's 50cc. I fixed that one right up. It was in real bad condition, so hopefully I'm going to be able to do the same thing with this one and turn around and sell it, like I did with a lot of my other Power Wheels and whatnot. So can't wait to start this project. It's going to be a lot of fun. I've been waiting to get my hands on another one of these gas-powered ATVs. I picked up one over there, the silver frame, that one was battery powered. I found out the motor was no good, and it's really expensive to get a new motor. So glad I found this one. I'm super excited to jump in this one, start troubleshooting, and actually get my hands into it. So without further ado, hey, we're gonna jump into it here soon. But keep watching. I'm probably gonna have a mini series on this one, just to see all the troubleshooting things I've gone through, and I'll try and tell you about the things I've done in the past. Hopefully that will help me solve some of the issues I'm going to be having with this one that I suspect. So without further ado, let's jump into her.